Hi, this is Dave Miller from Remax Integrity in Dumont, New Jersey, and today I wanted to talk about what happens after you accept a deposit, what happens next. And basically it breaks down to three areas. One would be the attorney review, second the home inspection, and three is the mortgage. So just to go back to the beginning, in New Jersey, we use attorneys to close. Most of the country doesn't do that, but here in New Jersey, the first thing is once you've come together with a buyer on a price and the terms, it's subject to an attorney's approval. So both people bring the contract to an attorney, and they call it the 3-day attorney review, but that's really just 3 days to get an attorney, because a lot of times people don't have one. Once the attorneys make a change, then it's open-ended. It could last a week or 2 weeks, but hopefully the attorneys get done in, let's say, within a week. The second step is the home inspection, which happens to be the least favorite thing of what I do. I'm very lucky. I love what I do, but I have to say that the home inspection is not part of it. But in any case, bottom line is we sell houses as is, but that's a loose term, because really what it means is if they find something wrong, you don't have to fix it, but then they don't have to buy the house either. So you have to get past the home inspection. And if there's something, I always give the example in my house when I sold it, the hot water heater, the guy pointed out was damp underneath, so I had it replaced the next day. But then the attorney letter came and said they wanted a new driveway and a new hot water heater. Well, I had done the hot water heater, but I wasn't putting in a new driveway because it had a few cracks in it. And the buyer agreed, but it's not always that simple. The third part of this is getting the mortgage. And, hopefully, if the people have been pre-approved and we've checked them out, there should be no issue. The problem can occur during the appraisal. So the bank has to agree with the price that you've agreed upon with the buyer. So these days it has been a little tricky, so we're sweating out the appraisals a little bit. So just to recap, when you find a buyer, you're about halfway there. It's about half time. Getting from when you found a buyer to the closing is the second half, and that's typically while you're hiring the best agent you can, because not only is it finding a buyer, but it's getting to closing. This is Dave Miller. Have a great day. My email, if you have any questions, dave@davemillerrealestate.com. So long.